Okay, FM 101.7.
Afi na maba asembia oda Madam for Laridogbe newspaper no the Herald.
The Herald, yeah.
You see, as acting auditor general no clear honorable Safmo when say because no nua no was say omuntu omubu na omunti asie yie enye no creda asem no say na wo kae no eda ho e wo court enti no enye acting auditor general and I say even the auditor general who has proceeded on leave and as he say no na be clear obi and I say unclear nipa no asem no e wo court enti ye court fe e na betumi aka say we no yen clear no and I say we no e ma yen clear no na obi betumi impo asusu say but no kra no de me so say asem no e wo court say di adwenkyere bia no ye be twenso na Supreme Court ka na asem wia na ye wo asem bi and I say High Court mpo e na be ka na yakoka yasem but ya min no kwa wa asem no ho ai binu mu efu say eye clear and then say osafumafo e di appeal bi eko High Court to set aside the decision of the Auditor General or the Secretary Senior Minister no any for other public servants no sasem no call for the assembly eko ama court no aka bomu ya consolidating na court no order say was say impenyefo no enko Supreme Court na ye determination say assembly a Cole and Associate for the Akko Supreme Court say womu susu say edwuma na woma ye no say womu di kan edi ma obi fufu bi a ebetumi aboa ne pabonefo bi na womu ko siesie o mechi enti no assembly e wo Supreme Court na Supreme Court edi hu akunyaba ama womu ebema say okay mu de mumma Auditor General no na onkoye inspection of some of the documents no na Auditor General ne oko leave no edi kan extra letter edi ma honorable Osafoma say onyaya anka wo pese afedie onko hye obeba be hye nkrata no mo na that letter no ebedru honorable Osafoma for office on the 29th of June na letter no so kire say wonyaya anka sa 29th krona anasi 30th no wonyaya anka mo be kwa yesa inspection no enu no nam say letter no ebedru 29th na no sa 29th na no na ebedru be nyumre mo ho baby enti sa 29th any 30th no o man tumi ankohwe enti o man yen hihye say o mo be kwa kohwe on the 2nd of June but by the 2nd of June no na honorable Dumelevo no na onu wedi kan call leave that out onu a that was acting in the state no esuma wo mu a na wo mu kro na no mu ye audit no wo mu kro na mu ye audit no enu na acting auditor general no esuma wo mu say munko ye inspection no in conformity with the orders of the Supreme Court entinu omukoye inspections no wie no na acting auditor general no ekre court no inkrata say adwuma na wasuma yen hye na wahye yen instructions na wama yen say yenko ye inspection no afei de yakwa ye inspection no enti afei de abewa eda yipuma Africa mu say asem na e wo court no yenko kasem no e wo court enu na siye. And you know, this cannot mean Obi clear Obi. Ebia, when you are no more Herald, no, and our moon tiasem nasi ya. Omun tias say, let na. Omu ko to say, it is acting Auditor General no clear. Osafuma for no. Nye no krenye sanetie. Auditor General no nia all can any say. Sumana Supreme Court suma say omu enkonomu ko share in krata ne bi emu no. afei de ọmọ akọhwẹ nkrata no mo enti no ọmụ nsan wọ machi court no ema wọ mutumi abrewanyi pomafi kwan mu na ọmụ nsan wọ machi no enko high court na asem na nkasa no na ọmụ nkọ kasem no enti afei kura na ọmụ nkọ akọka asem no ewo high court so it cannot be clearance baminia me kan krata bi ho asem eye de krata pinchi wadwini ko itire kakra na me de me impesu say me call to the issues surrounding the appointment of Auditor General Wakoni leave yen nyina ye nim ye to abawie Mr. Mahama edi nkukuo December 7th 1 week later na ye nim say papa bia onu so ye acting or ye deputy Auditor General at the time Dr. Kwame Ave na ne di kwa bamboti ya twa letter edima Council of State say sa papa yi na ye pese obeye Auditor General Supreme Court su esi hu nkonwa enu ekire no ye sai edi letter fufo bi ba ye say obi fufo na afi de ye pen no say onu nhye na dwuma si 30th of December 2016 which is barely 1 week before his excellency Nana Akufo-Addo took over power when nyina endanche na aban no ba ye no aban no ekofa coal associate for no o ye omo ma bin e forensic yenye nhwehwemu piesie yen dokura semu na yenhwe evidence to be the nipa court na nam se kwatkola kan oyi akoye complicated kakante no omunye nhwehwemu piesie efa asem ni bi ho anase adwini bia ebinumu wo se adwini katasise ni proye bi ekoso no omunye sam hwehwemu no menia kaise kolfo yi wo medjuma no ehu abanfaso ewo kwan ebebresu ebini se asem ni bi wo court sei eye kolfo ejuma na o maye no not the Auditor General nanka no ejuma no some of the issues in court right now no eye Kroll and Associate for Kroya na wo mu forensic audit and the man that's me a court is here yet this person na
minister
yes
sa question we die minim se da bi wo ebedi ho nkomo adai na Ghana nkoma aban bia ba MPP NDC contract bia yebeye bia no na ho akoba asem na ye yoy ye nkoto bibi mra contract yoy ya na edi adea ye procurement process na du ba bia ye ni so ana for political reasons ana de be
well
bas na de de nam ha na we de nam ha na we de nam ha na
I was saying to me fanu case by case yen to me entane hina trasa ebi wo ho a mfumso bi e wo ho ebi wo ho so a eye buapayo ebi wo ho so a boni bi ensi ebi a ntiase e na anyi dwuma ti se code ye na ye ken me magin mu no e wo court nti me pese meka ho asem bebre but one hwe yi a ebi na eye ntiase e na anyi dwuma nti a meka no tane se coal for no one more eye wo madwuma na du baby no Auditor General no say adwuma na mo ye no mo fa report no embra say adansi die say adwuma a mo ye no report no na ya adansi die na coal for no say o de bi baby aye adwuma na kwa kodu say no yem pese emu asem bia be pia bontin because emu asem pia bontin say ya ebia na nipa boni for no na o ma ko tiesi o mechi na ade no te ye benya evidence ya ye di be prosecute no e be ye den enti ye srese ye nyaya wo de twenso kakra na ye kodu pempenso bi a ye fru se afedie ya chichi epo no nyina ewia na ye di report no e di amount na Auditor General so se there be here report no say ya and Uncle Fonusi there be ye the man say ya a bema investigation na ye no a wumbe tochima e dia maye na Auditor General no say okay the man farmer media and the meka se mo anye dwuma bia enti no ya se charge o safu ma for minister no say wakotue sike bi e dia ma bi no mu o ma nya dwuma asemu na ni o enti na meka se e dia wo hwemu a na akwakoye se e bia eye diasie na anya dwuma na obi beka se na asemu akoro fo no ka no sebio adwini ene mu ana se nia na honorable Dumelevosu ka no ebie nti pa na wono so sei ohia sa report no at the time wa wono so sei report no embra ni manimu ya enu no different matter court no bu atenwia we will come back to interrogate Timupo a wo mumienu no bi a Timupo a obi awo say obi be say looking at the background of establishing the situations under which you were appointed and all of that, no, would the claims to na ye tumano ye the report no ba also see in the middle of the investigation no for report no brano and for say would the claims to kakra, then that leads to the Auditor General citing say edumedia nkoso intinu yen say charge osafumafo no na ya dia honorable osafumafo so di court and this document no and a Supreme Court no ema order say afei die Uma Auditor General no kwai na onko hwe sa document no mo sixia no Auditor General no eni ni apamfo no so akwa hwe nti omu di asem no be kwa court na ya boate no. So this is the whole issue about the coal matter yedi propaganda say ebinumu anye dwumedia na ya tam sika edi ma wo mu ni nasifo fa na semnitie but enchen bia won afi asem no e court enche court be transfer no so misumi wo gide mapa e wo yen judicial service mo. But to answer your question I will be sir identity no there you feel case by case ya you betumi atire say we no there ye boapayo se na court judge ne kan ye na no create loot and share ye boapayo e na ye ne say we there ye be di drill ye be di o man mo nyina enya. And I said, secondly, no, we dear a year in Fumuso and Abba, and I said, we dear a year in Tiasia and Anya Jumati said, cool for the year, meaning marginal a year in Tiasia and Anya Jumano. And no, we can take it one case after the other. But to clear the air, no, said, Minia, Larry Dugbe, any my friends at the Herald, the Herald, Eka say, they are clear. Honorable Osafumafo, I think they need to pay attention to the letter and to understand what is happening. And yes, sanity. A fame mumuna them no abrewa ayi pumafi kwa mwa ye kwa kokasem no ewo high court.
Padi medals obey. Bye bye.
Bye.
Okay, 101.7. Bodi mo nyamfo Pius enam hagide e de na Deputy Information Minister. Okay, 101.7 sudi.
Okay, FM 101.7.